Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix there's been a problem or there's been an error in Microsoft Store. All right, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and check your date and time right here at the bottom right, and right click on adjust date and time. Okay, now what we're going to do here is just go ahead and select the region or the correct region. Okay, here we have the country or region section. Make sure that you select the correct region. Okay, and once that's done, go back. And here we have the time zone. Make sure that you select the correct time zone. If this setting, set time zone automatically is available for you, just go ahead and enable it. Set time zone automatically enable it. Okay, and then once done, scroll down a bit and just click on sync now. Wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, go ahead and open up Microsoft Store, okay, and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead and press Windows plus R on your keyboard. Again, Windows plus R. Now, what you're going to do is just got to find WS Reset, okay? Again, WS Reset. Hit on OK. Now, it will load up your Microsoft Store, and it just cleared its cache, okay? Go ahead and check if it helps. Now, another option, if still doesn't help, well, you could go ahead over to your Start menu, right-click on it. Now, go ahead and click on Installed Apps. Okay, gotta find System Components at the very bottom. Okay, here we have it. Just click on it. Now, find Microsoft Store. Click on three dots. Click on Advanced Option. Now, scroll down, and here we have Terminate. Okay, click on Terminate. Then Repair. Okay, wait for it. Now go ahead and check it out. Just don't close this yet. Okay, check your store, open it up, and if it works, you're good to go. If not, close it. Click on Reset right here. Okay, now if that still won't work, go ahead over your search bar and type down Services. Okay, click on Services right here. Now in this section, what we're going to do is just go ahead and find three services. Okay, so first up is the Microsoft Store install service. So let's just go ahead and find that. Microsoft Store right here, install service, this one. Okay, again, Microsoft Store install service, double click on it, click on startup type right here, make sure that it is set to automatic, then hit on apply. Okay, once you hit on apply, hit on start, and then once that's done, just hit on OK. After that, what we're going to do is just go ahead and find Windows Update. Okay, press W. Here we have Windows Update. Double click on it. And again, set this one to the same settings. Automatic, apply, start, OK. Now, the last one is Background Intelligent Transfer. Okay, you got to find B, Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Double click. Automatic, apply, start, OK. Once that's done, go to restart your computer and you should be good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.